this is Spectra, and today we're on to day 20 of the Chili's Hot Sauce Advent Calendar. So here it is, and let's open up day 20. So let's see what kind of hot sauce we got. Okay, it looks like today we got red chili sauce. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. Okay, so we got it open. Now let's see how it tastes. It's thick. Okay, that was just disappointing. There's barely any taste and there's barely any kick. So, but let's try it with chip now. Let's see, good, small enough piece. Okay, it does do something for the chip. By itself, I barely taste anything. So, yeah. The red chili hot sauce from Chili's Hot Sauce Advent Calendar. Don't know why I said it like that. I'm just gonna have to give it like a 3 out of 10. I barely taste anything, barely any kick, but it's still better than that. Which one was that called? What was it on day 18? Yeah. Yeah, it's better than the day 18. So yeah, Chili Hot Sauce Advent Calendar day 20. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.